Hey guys, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my kitchen, and today we're gonna make Pico de Gallo because it's fresh, it's delicious, and it's easy AF. Now, if you don't know what Pico de Gallo is, it's salsa cruda, and if you don't know what that is, that just means raw salsa. It just means we don't cook it at all. And this time of year, we have gorgeous tomatoes from the garden, and that's the main ingredient in Pico de Gallo. We also have jalapenos. You can use serrano if you like, cilantro, and red onion, and lime juice. Now, of course, if you don't want to use red onion, you can use white onion as well, and you can mix it up with your herbs and your peppers. Okay, so I've already cut my tomato, and I put some salt on it so that some of that tomato juice starts to come out. I'm going to show you how to cut this red onion, and I have lime juice ready for it so it can break down the red onion a little bit. You've seen me talk about knife cuts. So I'm just going to cut that onion in half, make the claw, and then dice. If you want to revisit my knife cut video, go back and find it. It's onions, so this will help you if you need a refresher. So I'm going to cut everything really fine because for me, Pico de Gallo is for chips. And you can put it also on tacos or anything, a piece of fish if it's been grilled. Pico de Gallo is great on top. But really, truly, I love chips. So I can live on chips, and this is what I'm going to dip all my chips in. Okay, so I'm just dicing that red onion. I have 2 big tomatoes here. So I don't even think I need the whole onion. I want sharpness, but I don't want it to be too oniony. So I'm just going to cut that half of onion, and I'm going to go right into this lime juice. And then that'll happen really quickly. It'll start to break down. You'll see it'll change color, and the lime juice is actually cooking the red onion. Scott Conant, I know you have a bad reputation for saying how much you hate red onions, but he doesn't hate them, guys. He just doesn't like them when they're raw and unmanipulated like this. You put in lime juice, you put salt, you cook the onions. That helps. Okay. Put the tomatoes in the bowl. All that juice comes out. I like it spicy, so I put in all the peppers. I'm going to put more salt. This really takes a lot of salt. My onions are almost ready. I'm going to run my knife just briefly through this fresh cilantro. I want some really large pieces of cilantro in here. Oh, yum. I can smell that. So fresh, so summery. I can't wait to dip a chip in this. Okay, and because the lime juice is already with the onion, I have my lime juice ready. I have more that can go in right after we taste it and see if it needs it. But that's it. That's all you need for Pico de Gallo. Tomato, chilies, cilantro, onion, lime, lots of salt. You can add more pepper if you like. And you let it sit, and it just gets better and better. And it's ready for your chips. I'm going to give it a quick taste. Oh, yeah. I'm going to add just a touch more lime juice because I really love lime juice. I love the acidity. And that's it. I'm going to put this out with my bowl of chips. Grab a frosty beverage. I think margaritas are in order. And that's it. Dip that chip into your Pico de Gallo because it's easy AF. Hey guys, I have an extra tip for you. When you're buying jalapenos, if you want to look for the spicier ones, you look for these little brown lines that'll go down the jalapeno. That tells you that this one is spicy. You can tell the difference. This one's actually a little bit darker in color. It has that line on it than this one that isn't ready yet, not as spicy. So check out the spicy ones if you like it hot.